go, 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 go. Oh, I got somebody coming over the hill and I'm going. I got somebody coming over the hill and I'm going. Ready? Go. Nope, somebody coming over the hill. Go, 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 go.
He's turning.
Okay.
All right, go. Good.
We're gonna get right up next to it. We're gonna get right next to this.
Yo, Charlie, can you see if you can turn my GoPro off? If not, it's fine.
Just unsuction it and turn it left.
Well, no,
I'm afraid to.
It's fine.
Get some video. Oh my God.
It's getting big.
Charlie, can you shoot some video?
I'm going to.
All right. Oh my God. Oh my God.
It's violent.
Violent
That's a violent tornado. Okay, I'm recording.
Oh my God. All right, where are we going? Where are we going?
We're gonna stop just south of it. Yep. Do we want to go east? Where's our next east option? Kayla, can you look?
It'll be the same place I said earlier.
We're gonna get close. Let's go get close.
Yeah.
All right, watch out here. We got people on the road.
All right, in a couple miles, 92 east.
Oh my God. That's a violent tornado. Oh my God. Sorry, Charlie.
You're good.
I don't know what this guy's doing.
Dude, that's violent.
Go, go, go. What are you doing? I don't want to pass him. We're on a hill.
Another tornado to your left.
Oh my God!
Two tornadoes!
Tornadoes! Twins! Sorry. No, you're good. Get in there. Get in there. Dude, go, go, go!
Oh my God.
We want to take a picture here? What do we think?
Yeah, I'm getting this way.
Oh my God!
Yo, chill.
All right.
This one behind us. This one right
Let's
here.
stop here. Let's stop here. We're gonna get way too close. We're gonna get way too close. We gotta stop
We're
right
fine.
here.
We're fine right here. We're fine right here.
Let's get
I'm stopping. I'm stopping. I'm stopping. I'm stopping. I'm stopping. This is gonna get close.
Yep, this one's close. Yep, stop.
This is gonna get really close to us.
I can smell it.
Yep. We're gonna get really close to this one. Oh my God.
Are we stopped?
Yep. Almost. Not yet. Sorry, I lied. I said
You're
yep.
good,
We
you're
weren't
good.
even stopped.
You're fine.
Charlie, watch out.
Let's go north.
East, west?
92.
Is it north? Yeah. Okay.
North and then you go.
Everyone in? I'm gonna be. Ah, fuck. Sorry. I just don't want to get us in an accident.
Let's go to Kelowna.
Okay.
Get it in Kelowna.
Kelowna, baby!
got Kelowna.
Okay, somebody keep, oh my God. Oh my God.
This is actually violent. You're gonna take a right.
We're not gonna make it to the road, bro. It's gonna
Yeah,
be,
we will.
the tornado's
Right
like,
on 92.
dude, the tornado's probably a half mile in front of us right now.
It's only a mile. Holy shit, it is. I didn't realize it was that far.
Dude, the tornado's right there.
Holy shit.
We can get
Yo,
closer.
this one's right there.
We can get closer. We got this. We're okay.
Right there, debris right there. 10.
Oh my God.
Debris.
Call 911.
No, everything. They know about it. Yeah, I called them like, oh, you
Alright. Should I take this east? Or is there a pave? Where's the pave?
92 east.
Big tornado on the ground to the right up there. Big tornado.
92 east if you can.
Okay, I'm gonna keep going north, all right?
Yep.
Do we think this one's
It's
gonna...
in 1 mile.
We gotta be
I'll pay
careful here.
attention to this one.
Okay.
This one, I
92,
think
the
it's
east
moving.
option is literally a quarter mile, half mile.
All right, we can do this.
No, it's
Oh
in
my
49.
Oh my God.
What?
It's a mile. It's where that, you see that truck? Oh, see that truck?
Yeah.
Okay, we
Where
can
that
do
truck
it.
is.
We're gonna be...
Add that light up there.
We're gonna be really close to this. That is a large...
We'll fly east. We gotta fly east.
Go, 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 go. What are we doing, guys? Come on. Go, go, go.
What's it called?
We're done.
That's a cop? Oh, 2 up.
Dang.
Oh my God, no, we got...
Are we coasting back? We're gonna go.
Look at the motion up
As long
top.
as we get east, we'll be fine.
I don't know if we're gonna get east, man. This is gonna be right up.
It's in half a mile.
Okay. Go, bro. Come on. Please keep going. Please keep going. Please keep going. Is this Daryl, is this IEM bot? So I just played IEM too. I know.
I'm like, he's putting us in danger.
I'm not gonna pass him. We're south of this circulation. We're gonna be okay. This is violent. Oh my God.
The one north is violent. This one's not as violent.
I see it. I see it. I see it. I see the east west.
East option.
We can get there. We can get there.
What's
We
the
can get
next
there.
north option?
I don't know. I haven't mapped Cyclona, so just go east. I got it.
Oh!
Taking care of it.
Big single channel positive CG there.
Oh yeah, 1 is our north option.
Okay.
Got it.
Yeah, that's it.
All right. We're gonna be good. We're gonna be good. We got this. Okay. That looks like that's broken out. There is a large wedge tornado on the
Yeah,
ground.
I see it. Still see it.
Okay, come on, guys. Please keep going. Please keep going. Go, 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 go.
Oh my.
All right.
East here.
All right. We can get this. We can get this. We can get this.
Fucking
Oh
drive.
my God, this guy's being a fucking idiot. I'm gonna beat this. I'm gonna beat him.
Nope.
Nope. All right. You're
Yeah.
right. You're right.
Good job. You're good. Floor. You're good.
We'll get there. We'll get there. Video that if you could.